This is London with VIP Trader. Guys, hit the like button. Let's go through the details on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you a replay of the price action on Bitcoin. We're going to talk about the upside that you can expect for CPI or the downside. Pay attention and let's dig into the details. Guys, we're having some heavy weather in California. I appreciate everybody who's in Cali. It's been tough. Hope you're well and safe. Shout out to Venus. I know you guys lost power out there. Let's dig into the details. I'm going to show you guys what I am looking at on my charts. You guys know we have the 15 charts behind the pro setup, and I'm going to show you what I'm looking at on my chart. First of all, let's go through a specific play back just for a moment here. In terms of Bitcoin, what move did we catch in the back today? We caught this specific move in the back today, the pennant formation. Boom, up and out. Yes, we caught that in the back. Congratulations to the VIP who are trading. And yesterday I told you, definitely told you, what was the key litmus test? It was up and over the specific hourly, and I'll dig into that. Let's bring the specific screen capture onto the spectrum so you guys can see exactly what I'm looking at. Now, in terms of the throw over, I do want to bring to your attention one preceding level. Take a look at the 30-minute, the preceding down interior. Guys, that interior channel framework up and over, the throw over here. Let's take a look at that because we didn't talk about that yesterday, but an additional throw over, boom, down through support. Do not forget that throw overs are very consistent in line with that 1929, but right now we're accelerating. And I'll tell you, we came into, I'd say a perfect reversal pattern. This specific pattern here that you see is a fan reversal, okay? We've got a level, guys, they're very powerful. Level of resistance, flip to support, resistance to support, resistance to support, resistance, boom, to support that pennant we caught to the upside. Very important patterns. If you're not used to trading them, honestly, if you're not trading them, guys, I really want to encourage you in 2023 to up your game. Make sure that you know all the pro patterns. We do that with New York Institute of Finance. Let's dig back into the details here just for a minute. Now, in terms of the specifics, what I'm looking at as CPI is approaching, the most important thing is we'll play the micros, guys. And I told someone earlier today, I was like, just trade the micro. Look at the micro. It's going to guide whether or not on that overthrow or not. And certainly enough, we had those bullish patterns that brought up that price action. Now, in terms of the level of resistance, go to the 8 hourly, for instance. This specific move up into that level of resistance here is the critical feature that I am focused on right now, without a doubt. I will just remind you that the hourly right now, in terms of the Bollinger Band 20, is being tested as we speak. That is going to be a key litmus test. And guys, not without saying, it stutter-stepped a moment since last night's video, but then it picked up for a 1.44% move. Congratulations to the VIP. The specific level of resistance, however, as I'm evaluating my participation from a trading context and level of resistance on that 8 hourly, I want to know and assess ahead of time, and I want all the VIP to do this, how much room do we have until we hit a level of resistance? Okay, that is a key focal as you structure your trades. If we were to have a highly volatile day, which we hope we have, level of resistance across the top here, if we were to break that lateral, that angled level of resistance, let's go up into that next level, let's say between a 4 and a 7.5% move, potential to the upside. Calculate your entries. I want you guys to go ahead and look at the levels of support, the levels of resistance. Where could we move to if we get a nice day of volatility? 15% possible to the downside would be nice to hit this level of support without a doubt. I'm measuring those components for a reason, to the extent that anyone is in VIP and has decided to hedge. You guys got that right. If you've decided to hedge, always assess your pattern dynamics. Always assess your limitations to the upside. Do you have room to hedge to the upside, to the downside? This is London, former hedge fund owner. Private, not SEC, not financial advice. You know that. Always dig into your lower time frames. When I create a specific video for you, please watch the whole thing. I don't say that all the time, but yesterday I threw in, and you guys know who know. You're like, okay, I'm going to listen to this whole video. I know the ones that do, but you guys heard that over the hourly litmus test yesterday. The ones who listened to it doubled their money. Just on that, I also want to discuss very quickly, if you're holding a specific trade, okay, if you got it in your pocket, right, you're holding it, you want to see it run, you're letting it get legs, etc. in the market, I want to encourage you to splash trade on the side, okay? Get that key primary trade Keep it in the pocket, fine, but splash trade on the side. Give yourself some action. Keep yourself involved in the market. I know you guys are doing that. That's just my idea, guys, in terms of how to continue to build your skills in the market. We've seen 100 rounds and our training program go extremely well. This is London. We're excited about CPI. We're going to try and live stream it. You guys see a lot going on here. We're excited about 2023. We almost have all the nuts and bolts together. Guys, number one trade group, go ahead and join today. This is London with VIP Trader. Take care of yourself. We'll talk to you soon, and we'll dig into the micro over the hourly Bollinger Band moving average. That 20 moving average is the key litmus test. It's being tested right now. We'll talk to you soon. This is London. Take care. Bye-bye.